morning everyone. My name is Mansi Sanjay Kumar Suryavanshi. My today's topic is digestive system. The digestive system is used for breaking down into the nutrients which then pass into the circulatory system and they are taken to where they are needed in the body. Their functions are inject food, breakdown of food into the nutrients molecule and absorb the molecules into the bloodstream, and the excretion of waste product and secretion of fluids and secretion of enzymes. There are 4 stages to food processing: ingestion, taking in a food, and digestion, breaking down food into the nutrients, and absorption, taking in the nutrients by cells. And fourth one is egestion, removing any leftover wastage. Then the major organ of digestive system is mouth, larynx, pharynx, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine and rectum. This is the structure of digestive system. Then accessory digestive system is also, there are organs: liver, gallbladder and pancreas and salivary glands. In mouth, first of all, mouth is the first portion of alimentary canal to receive a food and produce a saliva. In that, this is the structure of mouth, and in there are consist of teeth, salivary gland and tongue. In that, teeth they crushing food or grind your food, and in salivary gland they produce a saliva in your mouth, and there are 3 major salivary glands. First of all, parotid gland, sublingual gland and submandibular gland, and third one is tongue. It helps to push food into your esophagus, and tongue function is chewing and swallowing. Second type is the pharynx. The pharynx is the part of a throat and that behind the mouth and nasal cavity, above the esophagus and larynx, and it is the portion of digestive tract that receive the food from your mouth, and branching of pharynx is the esophagus which carries food to the stomach. Then esophagus. This is structure of esophagus, and these are the commonly known as food pipe, and it is the muscular tube connecting to the pharynx with the stomach, and that length is 25 cm and the diameter is 2 cm. Then fourth one is stomach. It is the muscular organ and located on the left side and upper abdomen. The stomach receives food from the esophagus, and it is a pouch like or a J-shaped organ, and preliminary that designed for the storage of food for 2 to 4 hours. Some mechanical and chemical digestion also occur. It contains 2 sphincters at the both ends to regulate a food movement, and first contain 2 sphincters at the both ends to regulate a food movement, and there are 2 types, cardiac and pylori. Then the function is digestion and absorption. Fifth one is pancreas. It is the glandular organ in the digestive system and endocrine system. It produces several important hormones including insulin, glucagon, pancreatic polypeptide, which circulate in the blood, and their functions is blood sugar level and metabolism within the body. The main types of cells in pancreas is alpha, gamma, beta and delta. Then sixth one is liver, and it is the reddish brown color, and it is the largest organ, and its function is synthesis and produce albumin protein in bloodstream. Then one is gallbladder. It is a small hollow organ which stored bile and divided into the 3 sections: fundus, body and neck. And the main function is to store the bile and also gall and needed for the digestion. Then 8 number, small intestine. It is the part of the gastrointestinal tract between the stomach and large intestine, and the types renum, jejunum and ileum. The last one is large intestine. It is the last part of gastrointestinal tract. Outer is absorbed here, and the remaining waste material is stored as a feces before being removed by defecation. and there are four sections. First of all, ascending colon, transverse colon, descending colon, and sigmoid colon. It absorbs water and any remaining absorbing nutrients from the food, and then five most common digestive disorder including that gastroesophagus reflux disease, cancer, heartburn, irritable bowel syndrome, and lactose intolerance. Thank you.